There was a lot of different things that went into that, but I know one of the big things was, hey, RVMP is innovative. I mean, you know, you look at their generator, it's inverted, it's dual fuel, it's got a bunch of different features like push button start on the actual generator, it's got an emergency pull start, it's privately held, so you guys can align your decision making kind of like what we do. You know, is it the right thing to do? And you don't have a board that has to vote on it or anything like that. You guys are domestically sourced, which is a big deal for us. In Model G specifically, I mean, it's like 35% of our customers full-time. So A, to have something that's reliable is a big deal. I think the dual fuel source really plays into that because, hey, if you are out there for so long that you run out of fuel in your fuel tanks, hey, you can switch over to LP gas. We have so many electronics and so many features on the inside of this, we really needed something that could keep up with all that and then have some flexibility on how they run it so they can enjoy it and stay out there for longer without having to go into town and, you know, fuel up for anything. Because we do have core values and strong ones, we want to partner with people that have similar. Obviously, if your value set is one thing and somebody else's is another, being in a relationship, whether it be business or otherwise, usually doesn't work out. A big thing is, you know, RVMP, they do what's right. If we call, we got a problem, they jump all over it to fix it. They've actually been very proactive with stuff. Things that we didn't really identify as issues, but they did, and they fixed it. Obviously, we want to do business with people that think like us and do business like us. So we definitely seek out those type of suppliers. Anything else would have been too small. You couldn't run all 3 ACs, you could only run 2 or 1. So we really needed that 5500 to be able to run. The 3 ACs is the big one. When you're plugged into the RV park, obviously you have all the power to run everything that you wanted to coach. We wanted to give that same flexibility to that same guy who wants to go out and, you know, kick around in the desert, maybe ride some side-by-sides, to be able to use everything that he can and be as comfortable as he was in that RV park, but out in the middle of nowhere.